Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes-Benz E Class W211 and how to change your fog light assembly and your fog light bulb. My current fog light assembly is cracked, so without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you're going to open the 3 Torx bits, 1, 2, and 3. These are T15. And you're going to pull out the small sensor. It's going to come straight out. And now the rest of the work is going to be behind the wheel well. To make this job easier, you want to turn your wheel inwards and then pull the fender lining. You're going to have to remove a few screws. The fog light assembly is held by 3 Torx screws from the back. Once all 3 Torx screws are removed, you're going to just twist the light socket and pull right out. And the assembly is going to come out just like that. And now I'm going to put in the replacement assembly. So the new one already comes with the fog light, and it's going to snap right in place. I'm going to just align the assembly and tighten down all 3 of the Torx screws that I opened from the back. Now on the front, just put the little sensor back in place, align up the cover, and Torx down the 3 screws. I hope this video has helped you out, and if it did, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.